So, what we got on here is a Cool Air portable AC unit that's used for putting inside the client space when they lose their AC or until we can get some parts, and makes it where they're able to still use the building or use that space until we get the parts to fix the equipment or replace. Now what's going on with this unit is it's drawing too much amperage, and after about 90 seconds what it does is it'll actually kick itself off and it won't start. So this is a video of us testing it in the summer. Unfortunately this was in Vegas, so it was really hot and everybody was frustrated and dead tired. This job, I think we were going on like 18 hours straight on this one. So yeah, enjoy.